Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display the system settings for volume, NFC, Wi-Fi and internet inside your Flutter app for Android. So this tutorial will be only for Android. Firstly I will show you the output, like how to embed the system settings. So here I have 4 buttons. So suppose if I click on show internet, here you can see that it has shown the internet system settings. I have dismissed it. This is for show volume, so here you can adjust the volume from your app itself using the system settings. This is for NFC and the last one is for Wi-Fi. So as you can see it is all been shown. So that's it for the output. Let's see how to do this inside your Flutter app. So basically this feature is only available from Android Q and above, so that's the requirement. So here I have created my Flutter application, and if you see inside main.dart, I have just refactored this to be a my homepage widget, and it is a stateful widget which I have created. Here I have created a method channel so that we can communicate with the native code, and here I have taken 4 text buttons. So on click of the first text button I am invoking a method called show internet. On click of second I am invoking a method called show volume. Click of third, show NFC, and fourth, show Wi-Fi. So that's what same identifiers or same strings you will have to use it on native Android side as well. So open the Android folder inside Android Studio. Firstly, inside settings.gradle, update your Kotlin version to at least 1.9.20, and inside build.gradle we will require 2 dependencies. One is Kotlin KTX 1.9.1, and for this fragment KTX I am not using the latest version, because if I try to use the latest version it is causing some kind of an error when I try to run my app on real Android device. I don't know why it seems like a Flutter's error. I think the Flutter's native configuration for Android has not been updated for quite a while. That's why I'm not really sure what else needs to be updated if I use the latest version for fragment KTX. That's why I'm using an older version, but I think this is fine for our use case. Then inside so you just have to click on sync now to download all the dependency. Then inside main activity I have added all these imports, so you can just copy it, and here I have changed from Flutter activity to Flutter fragment activity. Also here we are using register for activity result, because to launch those system UIs we require register for activity result. I'm not doing anything with the result, I don't think it's really necessary, but if you want you can just play around with the result if you find it useful. Then on configure Flutter engine we have registering our system settings platform, and once show internet is called, if you are above Android Q and above, then all you have to do is settings.panels.action internet connectivity, and then just use our result launcher.launch, pass our panel intent. Similarly for volume as well, you just have to pass action_volume. For show NFC, action_NFC, and for show Wi-Fi, action_Wi-Fi. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.